1, 2, 3. Hello everyone, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depends on the time you are seeing this video. I will be changing the color of my hair. As you guys can see, I'm carrying black. In some few minutes, I'll be showing you the products that I'm going to use. But before we do that, guys, you guys remember the last time I tried to spray this hair, so the thing did come out well. If today is your first time coming across this channel and you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Kindly click the subscribe button, then you on the notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you will be the first to be notified. Here is what I'm going to use today. Let me show you very well. You can see it. I'm going to mix it inside. So I will not be using everything, okay? I'll be using this plate to mix it. You can see it. So I just got to mix it very well. This is how it looks. You can see it. I'm just going to apply it with this leather because right now I don't have any hand gloves. Then I'll be applying it on my hair. I pray this one comes out well. Okay guys, I just bring out this little toy to cover myself because of the product, so it's going to spoil my dress. Okay, now I'm combing it. Let's see how it's going to come out. There is changes, so wow, this one is going to work. Look at it. You see, you can see the changes. It's not that too black anymore. The last time I colored my hair was, I think, beginning of last year. Yes, I think not this year because we are already in December. The last time I colored my hair was either last year or 2 years ago. Yeah, 2 years ago. That was the last time I colored my hair. Massage it again, once again. I just have to be very fast because I'm going to Basket to bring my son back. I'm going to bring my son from Basket. Okay guys, I'm going to use this cap here to cover it and leave it for some minutes. If possible, I'm going to leave it like 1 hour because I'll be leaving the house at 5. The time now is 3:50, so I'll be leaving the house at 5 to bring my son back from Basket. So let me just cover it and see, okay? Okay guys, I'm just going to leave it now for about 1 hour. Then I'll come back and show you how the result is, okay? After 1 hour, I'll just go to my bathroom to wash the hair. Then I'll come back and show you guys the result. Are you ready to see the result? Are you ready, guys? Are you ready? Okay, please subscribe and also share my video, okay? Let's go, guys. Stay tuned and see the result.
2,000 years later.
Guys, I just finished washing the hair. Let's see how it looks or how it came out, okay? Are you guys ready to see the final result? Are you guys ready? Are you ready? Okay. 1, 2, 3. Hey guys, look at my hair. So this is the outcome of it, and I love it. I'm so happy that it came out very well. Okay, I'm so happy. This is DIY. Hey, I just do it myself. Okay, so the little mistake that I made was that I used my hand. Look at it. Look at how my finger is. Can you see that, guys? So it hurts. And they pay me so much because of the product. It's like the thing don't burn my hand. You see? So guys, if you are doing this, make sure you put on your gloves. Okay, you guys see I always wear a leather on this hand. Okay, I always use this one hand to do the hair, so I just use this hand to just touch it a little bit. Now the thing stick to my fingers and it's very hot. Okay, I'm feeling pains right now. So guys, this is the outcome of my hair. You can see. Let me turn the back. Just like, you know, the back didn't came exactly how I want it, but at all it's still dey good. This one is DIY, me do it myself. So assuming I went to salon, it could have been better than this, but anyway, you see, look at the hair. New look to 2025. Yes. Okay guys, thank you all so much. I hope you enjoy this video. Put down your thoughts, what you think about my hair. Is it beautiful? It fits me, abi no fit me. I believe I like it, sha. So I'm doing it for myself, not for anybody. This is the way I want my hair to look right now, until I make up my mind to plait it or to cut it anyhow. So guys, that is it. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. In case you do not hesitate to subscribe. Subscription is free. You don't pay any dime. It's free. Then you turn on your notification bell so that anytime I upload a video, you will be the first to be notified. Thank you all so much. Till I come your way again. Bye.